Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. So I ordered all the products together, but I received every product on another day. Like one product on first day, then second, third, fourth. And I was so frustrated because I expected it to come together and I wanted to film the video together. But I had to wait a lot. So finally I have all the products and I have unboxed them in my vlog, which will come maybe before this one or after this one. I have no idea about it. Okay, so the very first thing which I ordered was the Mars palette. The Mars eyeshadow palette, which is in so much buzz, like every other YouTuber, every other creator is talking about that product. And I was very interested and keen to know that what is so exciting about that palette that everyone is talking about that. So oh my god, where do we have? So here I have my first package. So here we have the Mars eyeshadow palette and it's for rupees 249 and the expiry is like it will last till 2023. I think till then maybe I will use it. So let's remove the packaging, but this looks really good. Here we get the white packaging. I belong in your purse eyeshadow. That's nice. And all the ingredients are mentioned over here. I'm not gonna read that. Oh my god, the shades are so beautiful. Oh my god. I know why people are talking about it. Just look at the shades. They are so beautiful. I don't even want to swatch them. I don't even feel like swatching them. They are so pretty. Oh my god. But let us swatch. So I am very much excited about this shade right here. Okay. Next up we'll take the black. Then we will take the brown one and I hope they perform good. Here we have the black one, orange one, brown. They are pigmented, like I can see the black one is very pigmented, like I must say. I feel so bad, like I've spoiled them now. Okay, so if I'm not able to swatch the everything so professionally, please don't judge me because I just don't know how to make makeup haul videos. So I am highly impressed by this eyeshadow and I'm soon going to recreate a makeup look with this video, which is going to be in Hindi because I have no makeup video on my channel in Hindi. So I will be making one using this palette. So be ready for that. Next up is also a product which I wanted to buy from a very long time, and it is the Insight. Oh my god, I have everything mostly from Insight. I just didn't even notice that. So this is the Insight primer, 3-in-1 primer, which is prime, protects and moisturize, and this is oil free and long lasting. I've heard a lot about this product as well. And here we have it's completely transparent. Okay, it's completely transparent and it's really soft. It makes my skin soft. I can feel it. It has no such smell, but it really makes the skin soft and I can feel it. I will highly recommend this product. You should go for it. Next up is a very cute nail paint. This is the Insight in the shade 31 and it's lavender, lilac, whatever you call. This is the shade which I have applied and it's really nice, perfect lilac color. Moving on to the next product, we have the moisturizer from Indus Valley. And this is the moisturizer which I have used in my first ever makeup video. It is really nice. It has, it has sun guard as well, so I don't need to apply a moisturizer and a different sunscreen, so it comes together. And I have repurchased it, so just think how much I love this product and how promising this product is. I got this product in a PR package from Indus Valley. Like, they have sent me their whole products, like set of 5 products. So I have used this one a lot, and me and my mom personally just loved it, so I have repurchased it. So you should definitely try this out. You can look at the consistency, and the quantity is very much fair, and it retails for rupees 250 only, and I got it on discount, so it was for rupees, I will add it, I don't remember any prices right now. So next product is, which I'm very excited about, is the NICCI skincare. It's their lip and cheek tint, which I wanted from a year, and I was so doubtful and I wasn't ordering it. So what happened, I just got this random Facebook ad of them claiming that there is some offer going on, monsoon offer going on. So it is originally for rupees 350, and I got it for rupees 175, and that is the only reason I bought, because I won't ever pay rupees 350 for such a mini bottle. So I don't know how it performs. So let's just try. So let's see. It comes in a nail paint bottle, I mean. So it's like this. I have ordered in the variant pink. Oh my god, it's too dark. I should apply. I have already applied highlighter. So I have already applied highlighter, so you can't see it, but you can still see the difference. Like here I have not applied it much, and here I have. So you can see the pink tint. Moving on to the last product we have are lipsticks. So I have ordered 2 Insights lipsticks, which are for 79 or 80 rupees, I guess. I hope the shades are good. My god, why is it dark? It was looking pink on the website, and it's too dark. I just don't like dark lipsticks. So I have ordered in the shade Inside 12 Red Room, and another is in 19 Dive. And why is it it is dark? They showed it was light, man. It is dark. It looks like red shade, and I wanted a pink shade. I don't know. I think this should be nice. They both are dark, I have on the website it looks like a lighter color. I'm highly disappointed. I just don't know how it will look on the lips. If it looks good on the lips, then I'm completely okay with it, but it is dark, yeah. Definitely I'm going to give it to my mom. And this one I'm highly disappointed with the shade, because the shade which it was looking on the screen, it has not even came like that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.